How to use apps that reinforce your money identity. It sounds simple, but how you manage money, how you think about money, can either make or break your financial future. In this video, I'll show you how to use apps that shape and reinforce your money identity so you can build better habits, create a healthier mindset around wealth, and start making smarter decisions. Stick around till the end because there's something critical that most people overlook, and it could be the game changer you need. Let's dive right into it. When you hear the word money, what comes to mind? Is it stress? Freedom? Success? Your money identity is basically how you feel about money. Whether you realize it or not, this identity shapes every financial decision you make, from how much you spend to how you save and invest. But here's the thing. Most people don't even realize how their money identity is affecting their decisions. So how can apps help? It's all about choosing tools that not only track your finances, but also push you to think differently. The first step is recognizing that financial apps aren't just for tracking numbers. They can help reinforce a mindset that aligns with your financial goals. Let's start with budgeting apps. Budgeting apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Mint don't just help you track expenses. They force you to rethink your relationship with money. These apps push you to categorize every single dollar, which forces a higher level of awareness. When you know exactly where your money is going, you stop thinking of money as something that's just there, and start viewing it as something you have to manage, respect, and grow. And here's the real kicker. YNAB, in particular, encourages you to give every dollar a job. It's not just about tracking, it's about actively deciding how each dollar will work for you. And by setting those intentions, you're actively reshaping your money identity. It's like programming yourself for success. But what about apps that help you save for specific goals? For the second step, goal-oriented apps like Capital or Simple can help you reinforce the money identity of someone who's financially disciplined and goal-focused. These apps let you create specific savings goals, whether it's for a vacation, an emergency fund, or even retirement. The beauty of these apps is that they make the process feel personal. You're not just saving, you're working towards something meaningful. Imagine setting up an automatic transfer to your savings every time you get paid. Over time, this builds a habit of thinking about your money as something that works for you, not the other way around. It shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, and that's where the power lies. Now, let's talk about investing. I know what you might be thinking. Isn't investing complicated? With apps like Acorns or Robinhood, the idea is to make investing simple, accessible, and actually aligned with your money identity. Acorns, for instance, rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change. You'd be surprised how quickly those tiny investments add up, and without even thinking about it, you start to see yourself as someone who's not just spending, but investing in their future. But here's something most financial apps don't talk about: your mindset around using them. That's the secret sauce. You can download all the apps you want, but if your money identity is stuck in a place of scarcity, you won't make progress. So it's not just about the app, it's about how you use it to shift your thinking from "I'll never have enough" to "I'm actively building something long-term." If you're still watching, you're probably starting to see how these apps can change your financial future. But here's what you need to know. The most important thing you can do is find apps that reinforce the mindset you want to develop, not just the functionality you need. Make sure they support your goals, help you track your progress, and push you to think about money differently. I'm going to share something critical here. If you truly want to take control of your financial identity, you need to have systems that align with that. It's not just about budgeting, saving, or investing. It's about shifting how you see money. Every time you open an app, ask yourself, does this reinforce the mindset of someone who has control over their money? If not, it might be time to find something new. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing. I make content that focuses on helping you build a better financial future without hidden affiliate links or commissions. This is all about providing real value, and your support helps me keep creating content that's genuinely helpful for you.